Back with another ASVAB practice question, and today we're working on arithmetic reasoning. So this problem in particular, we got a few messages from you guys stating that you didn't understand how to solve, and that's because some of our solution steps had shortcuts involved. Now shortcuts, they're a good way to solve quickly, but with shortcuts, it's harder to understand the foundational principles of how to solve this problem. So we're going to show you the foundational principles of how to solve this problem easily, step by step, nothing missing. So let's get into it. If equipment costs $1,200 with a 20% discount, but there's an 8% tax and a 5% processing fee, what is the final cost? A. $989.76. B. $1,015.87. C. $1,042.94. Or D. $1,088.64. If you already know the answer, by all means, go ahead and write it in the comments for us. Also, stick around until the end for the entire video to see how we solve this. But first, head to ASVABdrill.com for study guides and ASVAB practice test. Step 1. Apply the 20% discount. So, what is 20% of 1,200? We convert 20% to a decimal first. That's first step. 20% equals 20 over 100. So 100 divided by 20 gives us 0.20. That's our decimal. Now we multiply to find the discount amount. So 0.20 times our original amount of 1,200 equals 240. So now we subtract that discount from the original price. 1,200 minus 240 equals 960, okay? So after the discount, the cost is $960. Moving on to step 2. What is 8% of 960? Once again, we convert 8% to a decimal. 8% equals 8 over 100 equals 0.08. Now we multiply to find the tax rate. 0.08 times 960, which was our new amount, equals 76.80. Now we add the tax to the discounted price. 960 plus 76.80 equals $1,036.80. Okay, so after adding the tax, the cost is $1,036.80. Okay, moving on to step 3, the final step of our equation. Step 3, we add the 5% processing fee now. So what is 5% of $1,036.80? Once again, convert that 5% to a decimal. 5% equals 5 of 100 equals 0.05. Okay? So now we multiply to find the processing fee. 0.05 times 1,036.80 equals 51.84. So now we simply have to add the processing fee to the tax total. 1,036.80 plus our 51.84 equals $1,088.64. So the final cost after all the adjustments is $1,088.64. So the answer is D, $1,088.64.